Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I am very excited to announce the winner for the My Shabby Valentine YouTube Hop. Hopefully, you all were inspired by the wonderful shabby chic crafts. I know I certainly was, and I can't wait to try some of the new projects that I've seen. Before I announce the winner, I'd like to give special thanks to my co-hosts, Kim Murray from Salty Beach Scrapper and Debbie Adams from Creative Life. I always have so much fun when I participate in swaps and hops with them, and this was certainly no exception. We also always have a wonderful lineup of designers. Each of the designers will be listed in the description box below, so if you haven't had a chance to watch their beautiful crafts, please be sure to do so. And last but not least, I'd like to thank all of my new and existing subscribers. I know I say this every time I do a YouTube hop, but it really means so much to me that you take time out of your busy schedule to not only watch my videos, but all of the other videos that are featured in the hop. Thank you. I really love reading your comments, and I certainly appreciate all of your wonderful support. My giveaway is a $30 gift card to ASC Craft Supplies, and this will certainly come in handy because they have just received a new stock of beautiful craft papers that I know you're going to love. In order to select the winner, I use YouTube Random Comment Picker. Once the winner is selected, I then go and verify that the person has subscribed to each of the channels that are participating in the YouTube hop. So let's see who the winner is. And the winner is Sylvia Peister. Once again, the winner is Sylvia Peister. She said, "I knew there would be a chocolate spot, LOL. Now that you have a typewriter, I expect to hear from you more often. The paper collection was made for this project and beautiful." So Sylvia is responding to my shabby chic typewriter that I created. So congratulations, Sylvia. You have 72 hours to contact me. I will include my contact information in the description box below. There are even more opportunities to win prizes. All you have to do is visit the other channels to see if you're a winner. Thanks so much for joining us. We certainly wish you a very happy Valentine's Day.